Catch amazing lifetime deals from softwaretrailers.com. Today we are presenting an exciting deal for WP Guidant. Do you want to provide a personalized shopping experience, directing every single shopper to their desired product? You should definitely try WP Guidant. For only $59, get lifetime access to WP Guidant today. Create user interactive product guides and conversational forms to help customers find the product they're looking for. Generate card and slide filters and organize product description. WP Guidant is a WordPress plugin that allows you to filter data and display products that match the criteria of your customers. It automatically generates a personalized product guide or conversational forms for your WordPress or WooCommerce store. Customers will be matched with the most appropriate products in seconds after completing an easy, interactive questionnaire. You will be able to rely on user input to assist each visitor to their ideal end result. WP Guidant also supports conditional logic, allowing you to display results based on previous choices made by users. That means your customers will be able to identify the perfect product based on a variety of criteria, saving them a lot of time on the results page. Once customer has completed the guided selling process, you can view all response data on the WP Guidant dashboard. You will also receive response data via email as a result of the Pabbly Connect and MailChimp integration. With WP Guidant, create a multi-step guided selling process using smart filters and conversational forms, making it simple to drive conversions and increase sales. Customers should be matched with products that they truly deserve. Get unlimited access to WP Guidant today. Save as much as $140 if you get WP Guidant lifetime deal at $59 only. Click the link below for more details and get lifetime access today at a very affordable price. Please check out the current software lifetime deals available on the right side of your screen. Surely, you will find a software solution that's right for you. Subscribe and hit that like button to get updates on the latest software deals and much more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.